Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to link CSS to HTML in Visual Studio Code. You can see here is my screen and I'm writing the link tag. If you write in CSS in the Visual Studio Code link.css this extension, then it will automatically take the CSS file. Then you don't need to do anything. Right now I am writing the h1 tag just because to showing you how it is perfectly linked with the HTML tag, with the HTML page with CSS. Just wait and I will show you rest of the thing. If I'm going here style file and I'm writing h1 tag, I'm giving some style. That means a font size. That means I'm giving the font size 30 pixel and giving the color red, text color red. If I open with live server, let's wait. Right now I'm opening with live server. You can see the text color is red. That means the Visual Studio HTML file and CSS file with link with HTML. Thank you for watching this video.